So today we're trying some Wingstop, and what we have today is that's two different types of chicken. We also have some French fries. We have bean, corn, and in the bag also have two types of chicken. We have the barbecue and we have the lemon pepper. Oh God, look at the mess. Anyway, I have some Parmesan sauce that I always ask for when I come here because I enjoy it with the fries and the corn. I will also have Wingstop favorite, the ranch. So if you don't go have Wingstop, don't forget the ranch, because that's what makes the meal. So I'm gonna try the barbecue first. It would have been at the ranch. This is good. And then I'm gonna try the lemon pepper. One thing you don't want to do is to get ranch. And eat while you have fun. Have fun while you eat. So next we're gonna try French fries, and as I said, hot. I'm not gonna eat too much of this. Move on to the corn. I think the corn is the nicest thing. I don't know if it's the corn. I love corn. So if you're not near Wingstop, give it a try. Is it working? Yeah.